Hello students, I am Anjali Jana again here to assist you and hope you all are fine. During this lockdown, stay at home, remain safe, follow the guidelines of the lockdown and maintain hygiene, be safe. Let's come to the point. Dear student, till now we have learned about articles. And do you know the articles that we have learned in earlier classes, that are a, and the? Do you know these articles are belongs to a large group of words called determiners. Today we will study more about these determiners. First of all, what is determiner? Determiners. So, what are determiners? Determiners are words that decides or determines something about the noun. Basically, it tells us about how much or how many. For example, I have an orange. Here I have, as we seen that an is an article. So I have an orange. It means an is telling us about the noun, the orange, how many oranges I have. It means I have only one orange. So determinants tells us about something about the noun, and this is tells us about how much or how many we have. Okay, now we will see how many types of determiners. For this I have a video, so let's have a look.
Types of determiners. Types of determiners are article, possessive adjectives. Other determiners. Article a, an, the. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, their, whose. Include each, every, either, neither, some, any, no, much, many, more, most, little, less, least, few, fewer, fewest, what, whatever, which, whichever, both, half, all, several, enough.
Dear students, As you've seen in the video that there are so many types of determiners. Among these, one is articles. We have seen this in our earlier classes. Articles are a, an, and the. Okay, the next one now, demonstrative. See, demonstrative includes this, that, these, and those. Here, first one, this. This. This refers to a singular noun that is close by. It means, suppose here is a geometry box and a geometry box is a singular. This is a one, only one geometry box is there. It's a singular noun and it is close by me. So I can say that this geometry box is belong to my friend. Here I am using this geometry box. This geometry box is belong to my friend. This geometry box is belongs to my friend. This geometry box. Here geometry box is a noun and it is singular, and so I am using this. This geometry box, as this geometry box is close by me, it's nearby me. So I am using here this. Clear? This is a singular noun and this singular thing is close by me. That's why I am using here this geometry box. Similarly, these. This is also used for the object or person which is close by me, which is nearby. Like, but one thing you have to remember, you should keep in mind that these will be used before a plural noun. Like, these geometry boxes. Here it is plural. See, here I have so many boxes, more than one box. Okay, there are 4 geometry boxes. It's mean it's a plural noun and these all geometry boxes is nearby me. So here I have to use these geometry boxes, these, T-H-E-S-E, these. For singular I have to use this, and for plural I have to use these. These geometry boxes are for you. So these and these, both these determiners are used for the things close by or nearby, but this is for singular noun and this is used before a plural noun. Now similarly we will see that and those. That refers to a noun, singular noun, which is far away, which is at a distance. Like, if look at this bottle, the bottle is at a distance. So we will say That is, that bottle is mine. That bottle is mine. As the bottle is at a distance and it is a singular noun, that bottle is mine. See, bottle is at a distance, it's far away from me, so I use that bottle is mine. If I have more than two bottles, more than one or two, I have one or two or three or many bottles, that time when our noun become plural, that time I have to use those bottles. Those bottles are mine. Here the noun is plural and it is this noun is plural. This is a plural noun and all things are at a distance, so we have to use those bottles are mine. Okay, so it's clear, these and that, those. So demonstrative determiners are these, this, these, that, those. These words are demonstrative determiners. Now we will see the next determiner. Another type of determiner, that is possessive adjective. See, possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are the words which shows the possessiveness or ownership. For example, this is my phone. This is my phone. This is my phone. Here the word my is showing that the ownership of the phone. This word showing ownership. It's mean this is my phone. Okay. Like this, similarly there are some other words like are, your, his, her, their. All these words showing the possession or ownership. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that possessive adjective can be used before both singular and plural noun. Like his office, their office, my chair, my chairs, their ministers. Okay, let's learn about some other determiners. Some other determiners includes distributors, quantifiers, minors. Some other determiners includes distributors, quantifiers like each, every, little, a little, the little, and many more. First, we will learn about each. The word each is used before more than two person or things. When we are talking about more than two or two persons or things, and this each signifies the individuals in a limited group. It indicates definite number. For example, here each student of the group will be awarded here student of the group, the number of this student of the group is definite number. It's a finite number, so before this we have to use each. Like this, every. Here the word every is used before more than two persons or things, and it indicates indefinite number, the number in a large. Like every child should respect his parent. Here we are not sure about how many child the speaker is talking about. So the number is indefinite, so we have to use every here. So every child should respect his parent. Okay students, now let's know about some more determiners like much. Look, much. Much is used to denote quantity, and it is used before uncountable noun. Like, there is not much water in the well. It's mean water. Here, much is denoting the quantity of water, and water is uncountable. So there is not much water in the well. That's why we are using much before water. And another one is many. Much indicates quantity and many indicates number. Many denotes number and it is used before countable noun. Like, I have seen the movie many times. It means I am here telling about number of times I have seen the movie. I have seen the movie many times. Clear? Now we will learn about some more determiners, that is some and any. Some is used to indicate quantity, indefinite quantity, number of persons or things. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that it is also used in affirmative sentences and interrogative sentences when the positive response is desired or expected. Like, can you give me some water? Here we are telling about the quantity of water, and the quantity of water, the water is indefinite, so we are using some. Like some other examples, The teacher gave him some book. The teacher gave him some books. Here we use some as a affirmative sentence where the positive response is expected. Look at the another example. Here, did the teacher give him any book? In this sentence, the any showing the negative response. Did the teacher give him any book? So the difference between some and any is some is used to show, or some is used when the positive response is expected, and any is used when the negative response is expected. I hope students you understood the determiners. And do you know what I have for you? Yes, it's our practice time. Let's have a look. First one, there are dash colors in the rainbow. Here the sentence is telling about numbers. So we have to write there are many colors. It is also telling about many colors. There are many colors in the rainbow. Second one, dash member of the group was wearing a black badge. Here the member of the group, it's mean it's a definite number. So what we have to use here? Dash member of the group, it's mean each member of the group was wearing a black badge. Next, we have a get together at our home dash Sunday. Here the speaker is mentioning about that a get together is going to conduct at their home. Sunday means it's indicating which Sunday? This Sunday. We have a get together at our home this Sunday. It's nearby. That's why we are using this. Next one, dash child needs love and care. Here we are not sure about how many child the speaker is telling about. It's indefinite number, so we have to use every child needs love and care. Have you done work so far? It's showing interrogative sentence, but the answer is negative, having negative meaning. It's mean, have you done any work so far? Here any will be there. Next one, I had dash egg for breakfast. As the noun is singular noun and the word is beginning with a vowel sound, so we have to use I had an egg for breakfast. Last one, dash citizen should obey the traffic rules. Here citizen is telling about indefinite numbers, so we have to write every citizen should obey the traffic rules. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and be safe and stay at home. Thank you.